So guys, what do you want to do? Piggy, are you okay? Yeah, dude. Yeah, I don't think you're sound so good right now. Yeah, I was just saying, what do you guys want to do today? I think you had the hiccups, Piggy. Yeah, I think you do have the hiccups, dude. The hiccups? What are the hiccups? Well, if you give people hiccups, then you will give people hiccups. Well, I don't want to give the people the hiccups. Well, too bad. You had to give people hiccups. I don't want to do that. I just can't help it. Well, they're very annoying and I hate it. Yeah, dude, I think they're annoying. They're not annoying. I think they might be having fun of my tummy or something. You just made it up, Piggy. I didn't made it up. I don't want to have the hiccups all day. But I don't know how to get rid of them. Well, there's only one way to get rid of your hiccups. How? Do singing upside down. That'll work. Okay. Do you think he's upside down? Yeah, I think he did, dude. Yeah, I guess he might sing his Star Spangled Banner. Dude, I don't... Stop it, Bomb. You're weird. I'm not weird, Chuck. I just want you to know that Piggy wasn't singing. Are my hiccups gone, you guys? I think you have, dude. Yeah, I think your hiccups are gone. Oh, no. Dude, you still have the hiccups. Oh, I can't get rid of them, you guys. Well, how about you, hold your breath like this? I don't think that'll work, Bomb. Yes, it will. Just hold your breath like this. You know I can't do that. Why? Because I can't hold my breath, then the hiccups will be forever. No, it will not. Yes, it will. No, it will not. Yes, it will. No, it will not. Yes, it will. No, it will not. I guess I'll just hold my breath. Yeah, hold your breath like this, Piggy. Keep holding your breath, Piggy. Do you think he's okay, Chuck? I think so, dude. I think holding your breath might be doing the hiccups. Yeah, I don't think so. Guys, are my hiccups gone now? Well, I think you do. I don't think so. Well, let me check. My hiccups are gone, Chuck. Yay! Yeah! Hooray! Oh, no. Oh, no, I can't go away. Hiccups, go away. I know. What? Come and find me, Piggy. What do you think Bomb is hiding? I don't know, dude, but you better go find him. Okay. Stop doing that, dude. I can't help it, Chuck. Go find Bomb then, dude. You're trying to give me the hiccups. I gotta scare Piggy. I don't want to get rid of you. Piggy, Bob, why'd you scare me? Because I had to get rid of your hiccups. Well, I don't like that. Well, I don't want to do that either, dude. Chuck's right, Bob. We don't like being scared at. For what? For scaring me with hiccups. Are the hiccups gone now? I don't think so. But, oh no, you still have the hiccups. Yeah, dude, I think you have the hiccups. How am I gonna get rid of them now? I know. Let's ask SpongeBob for some water. He has water. Yeah, good idea, Bum. Let's go ask SpongeBob. Yeah, let's go ask SpongeBob, dude. Yeah, let's go. I don't... What's that noise? Why do I keep hearing hiccups? Oh no, it must be the piggy's hiccups. Hey, SpongeBob, what do you guys want? Can't you see I'm cooking food? Well, I was wondering, can Piggy have some water for Piggy because he has the hiccups? Well, why is he having the hiccups? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe he was eating SpaghettiOs or something. I guess I'll get some water. Here you go. Here's the water bottle. Thanks, SpongeBob. I guess you're welcome. Alright, Piggy. All you have to do is drink some water. That way the hiccups were gone. Oh, man. Okay, I'll drink some water. Yeah, do it, dude. I'm trying, Joseph. Drink some water. Are the hiccups gone now? Hey! My hiccups are gone! Yay! Really? Your hiccups are gone? Yeah! Are they all gone, dude? Yay! My hiccups are gone! Yay! Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh no! You still got the hiccups, dude. Go away, hiccups! We tried everything. Wait, there's a fly in here. A fly? A fly? Where? Yeah, where, dude? Let me check. What's wrong, Piggy? Yeah, what's wrong, dude? The fly got into my nose. Wait a minute. The fly must be scaring the hiccups. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't think about that. I didn't know the fly's gonna scare you with the hiccups. Yay, my hiccups are gone, you guys. Yay, 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 yay. Oh no, now I got the hiccups. Oh, I got that from Piggy. He must given me the hiccups.